Hello and welcome back. In our previous video, we have already created our multi-threaded ret based on this design. So in this video practical, we are going to compile, build and test it. So just click on the start button here to start the build process. And now the build has started, as you can see. And now the ret is running and we can open a command prompt and test it out. So let's click here and look for a command prompt and open it, and let's connect to our ret. At port 4444, hit enter. Alright, so it is connected. Let's give the M message. I'm going to press M for message and then hit enter. And straight away you see down here, the hello world message box is shown. Now I'm not going to close this. I'm going to leave it open and I'm going to press another M to see what happens. So I click inside here. I'm going to send another M message to the server. Press M and hit enter, and now you look at the bottom, another hello world message has just popped up. So now we have two hello world. See that? Now I'm going to press B for beep and see whether it beeps. So I click in here again. This time I press B and I hit enter. There you go, it's working. Alright, now I'm going to open a third message box. Let's press M again, click in here and press M and hit enter. And now you see at the bottom, our third message box has just popped up. So now you have three message boxes open concurrently, three threads, and one beeping sound which has completed. Now we are going to sound the beep again, click in here and press B and hit enter. There you go. So all our threads are running concurrently. You can run as many, you can send as many messages as you like, and they will not block each other. So now I'm going to close everything. I'm going to press Q to send the quick message. Click in here first, press Q and hit enter. And you see, all the message boxes has disappeared and the server has shut down. Alright, so it works like a charm. So this is the basic concept of multitasking threads which you can implement in your server. So it's a good template that you can use. So every time, anytime in future, if you wanted to implement new features for your ret, all you need to do is to create new threads, declare new threads up here, and then create another if block for the new thread and define the task that you want the thread to perform and put your task in here. That is all, as simple as that. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.